neck feel. So we just restored the oblique motion in the OA joint on Rose, and forgot to ask, how do you feel?
It's no longer uncomfortable to like sit up straight and just look around and stuff. I feel like it's more mobile now.
Nice, nice. And you're going to try that oblique exercise in this device, which is called Dr. Reiter's Real Ease. The dog chewed this up, chewed up the foam. But the curved part goes under your neck. So let's demonstrate you laying in this device. It's about $24 on Amazon. And so you lay and that curve is under the neck. Very comfortable device. And it helps you isolate movement in the upper cervical spine. And now you're going to do little tiny oblique scoops to the left. Yeah, so the back of your head is going to your left, although the chin is going to the right. And it's going obliquely to the left. Very good. And you can also do this with your mother doing traction to the temples. Mm-hmm. Good. So your neck is better, eh?
Yep.
Nice. Thanks very much.